In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude Code for free with Ollama on a Windows PC. Normally, when you install and open Claude Code, it asks you to log in with a Claude subscription or Anthropic API billing. But in this video, we are not going to use the paid Claude API. Instead, we'll connect Claude Code with Ollama and use an open source AI model locally on your Windows computer. I'll show you the full setup step by step. So, let's get started. Before starting, let me quickly explain the basic requirements. To run local AI models smoothly, your computer should have at least 16 GB of RAM. If you have an NVIDIA GPU with 4 GB VRAM or more, the performance will be better. But even if you don't have a very powerful PC, you can still try smaller models. The first thing we need is Node.js. Claude Code is installed using npm, and npm comes with Node.js. So, open your browser and search for Node.js download. Open the official Node.js website and download the LTS version for Windows. After downloading, open the installer. Keep all the buttons default and complete the installation. Once Node.js is installed, open command prompt. In the command prompt, run the command node v. If it shows a version number, Node.js is installed successfully. Now also check npm by running npm v. If this shows a version number, then npm is working correctly. Now we'll install Claude Code. Run this command. npm install Anthropic API Claude Code. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, check whether Claude Code is installed correctly by running Claude version. If it shows the Claude Code version number, this means Claude Code is installed successfully. Now we need to install Ollama. Ollama is the tool that will run the AI model on our Windows PC. Open your browser and search for Ollama download. Go to the official Ollama website and download the Windows version. Install Ollama normally. After installation, Ollama will run in the background. To check if Ollama is installed correctly, open command prompt and run Ollama version. If it shows the Ollama version, then Ollama is installed properly. You can also open this address in your browser, http://localhost 11434. If it says Ollama is running, then Ollama server is working correctly. Now we need to download an AI model. For this tutorial, we'll use Qwen 3.5 because it's a powerful model for coding, reasoning, and agent-based tasks. To download Qwen 3.5, run this command: Ollama pull Qwen 3.5. This download may take some time depending on your internet speed and model size. After the download is complete, run Ollama list command. Here, you should see Qwen 3.5 in the model list. Now let's quickly test the model. So run the model. Now type a simple prompt like, write a simple HTML page. If the model replies, that means the model is working. To exit the Ollama chat, type /by. Now comes the important part. By default, the model may not use a large context window. But for Claude Code, A larger context window is useful because it needs to understand project files, prompts, edits, and tool instructions. So we will create a custom model with a 64K context window. Before creating the custom model, let's first check the default context window. To do that, run the normal Qwen model first. Keep this running. Now open another command prompt window and run Ollama PS. Here, if it shows something like 4096 or 4K, that means the model is currently running with only a 4K context window. For normal chatting, 4K may be okay, but for coding tasks with Claude Code, 4K can be limited, especially when the project becomes larger. That is why we'll create a custom model with a 64K context window. This will allow Claude Code to handle larger prompts and understand more project information at once. Before we create the custom model and launch Claude Code, we need to prepare a proper workspace folder. For this tutorial, I'll create a folder on my desktop named Claude Test. This folder will be used for two things. First, we'll create the model file inside this folder, and later, we'll launch Claude Code from this same folder. So any files created by Claude Code will be saved here. To create the model file, open command prompt inside this folder. Now run this command. This command creates a file named model file and adds the Qwen 3.5 as the base model. Then run this command. The second command adds the 64K context setting inside the same model file. As you can see, it has created small configuration file for Ollama named model file. Now, create the custom model by running this command. Ollama create Qwen 3.5 64K F model file. If everything is correct, Ollama will create the model and show success. Now check the model list. Here, you should see the new custom model Qwen 3.5 64K. This is our custom Qwen 3.5 model with a 64K context window. Now we'll connect Claude Code with Ollama. Make sure you're inside the project folder. Now run Ollama launch Claude. After running the command, Ollama will show a model selection screen. Select Qwen 3.5 64K. Then press enter. Now, Claude Code will open. Here, you should see the model name Qwen 3.5 64K. This confirms that Claude Code is running through Ollama using our custom model. Now, let's test if Claude Code can actually create files. In Claude Code, I'll enter this prompt. After entering the prompt, Claude Code will write the code. Once completed, it will ask, do you want to create index.html? Here, choose yes. After that, open your Claude test folder. You should now see the index.html file. Double-click the file to open it in Chrome. If the Hello World webpage opens correctly, then everything is working. This confirms that Claude Code is using Ollama and can create files directly inside your Windows project folder. Now that everything is working from command prompt, let me also show you how to use Claude Code inside VS Code. First, open VS Code. Then open the Claude test folder. If you want to create a separate project, create a new folder inside it. For example, create a folder named Todo App. Now open the VS Code terminal. If you want the files to be created inside Todo App, go inside that folder. Now launch Claude. Select the Qwen 3.5 64K model and press enter. Now, Claude Code will open inside the VS Code terminal. From here, you can ask it to create or edit files, and you can also see those files directly in the VS Code Explorer panel. For testing inside VS Code, I am going to use a prompt to create the Todo app. After Claude Code creates the Todo app files, open the index.html file in your browser. Now test the app. Type a task and click Add. The task should appear in the list. Click Delete and the task should be removed. If everything works, that means Claude Code with Ollama is working perfectly inside VS Code as well. So that's it. This is how you can use Claude Code for free with Ollama on a Windows PC. This setup is very useful if you want to use AI for coding without depending on paid Claude API billing. Of course, the speed and quality will depend on your PC hardware and the model you are using. A powerful PC will give better performance, but even on a normal Windows PC, you can still experiment with local AI coding.